exploring the phrase, cue ball. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, cue ball. You might have heard it while watching a game on TV or during a casual conversation. Let's break it down together and understand its meaning and usage. The phrase, cue ball, primarily comes from the game of billiards or pool. In this game, players use a stick called a cue to strike a white ball, which is aptly named the cue ball. The objective is usually to use the cue ball to hit other colored balls and get them into pockets on a table. Cue, a long stick used to play billiards or pool. Ball, a round object used in various sports and games. When combined, cue ball refers to that specific white ball that players strike with their cue. In informal slang, the term cue ball can sometimes be used to describe someone with a completely bald head, due to the ball's smooth, unmarked white surface. For example, someone might jokingly say, after he shaved his head, he looked like a cue ball. Remember, context is crucial. If you hear the term during a conversation about hair or appearance, it might have this figurative meaning. But if it's in the context of a game or sport, it's probably referring to the actual ball used in billiards or pool. There you have it. The term, cue ball, can either refer to a ball in the game of billiards or, in a more playful context, someone with a bald head. We hope this has shed light on the phrase and that you'll now feel more confident using it or understanding it in different scenarios. Thanks for tuning in, and happy learning!